Iranian-designed loitering munitions have struck a building in Dubai that reportedly housed American military personnel. And according to initial reports, official confirmation still awaited on that. No confirmation or details yet on the casualties or the details of any damage that has been caused. These are the visuals that you're seeing on the screens of the smoke that is seen emanating. These are buildings where the U.S. military personnel were housed, and these have now come under target by the drones. Those are the details coming in, and these are the visuals that have been recorded by the residents that show thick plume of smoke emanating, multiple targets being identified. Thick plume of smoke emanating, multiple targets being identified in Dubai.
Absolutely, because several pictures have now come across where there are people, mainly tourists as well, who have been reacting to such kind of attacks that they seem to be taking place. What is being said that this is mostly when it comes to the debris from the missiles or the drones that are being intercepted. But when it comes to the US operations, the diplomatic operations, it has now suspended the operations at its consulate in Lahore and Karachi, and it is now being reported in Pakistan till the 6th of March. And this has now been a statement from the US Embassy in Islamabad, saying that due to the current security situation, the US Embassy in Islamabad and the Consulates General in Lahore and Karachi have now cancelled all visa appointments, and this is going to happen till the 6th of March. Now, remember, Pakistan itself is now finding itself in a tough situation to support or not to support, because after the killing of Khamenei on the first day of the war or this conflict that had started, there have been protests that has been taking place against the US there, which had resulted in the killing of more than 20 people. Now, as far as another breaking update coming in, this is from Bahrain.
So American bases in Bahrain have also been targeted by the heavy Iranian missiles. So American bases have come under attack, and yet again in Bahrain, the U.S. bases have been targeted with the Iranian missiles striking the U.S. facilities, and reports suggesting it's a heavy missile attack. We are still awaiting official details on the damage as well as the casualties. But a clear indication that the regional tensions are only escalating further, because the U.S. bases in Bahrain have now come under attack again. So the first response that came in from Iran had also been to target the U.S. bases in the Gulf allied countries. And in Bahrain, the American base has come under attack again.